Hola, ¿cómo estás? No, I'm playing. Hi. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Okay, let me stop being weird. I'm taking out the mini twist. That's what I'm doing. But I'm gonna do Bohemian for the first time. I haven't done it before. I'm gonna try it. I will be going to wash or shampoo, as my mother likes to correct me. She'd be like, shampoo. And shampoo, deep condition, and then blow dry. Yes. This is gonna be like a 3-day thing. Uh-oh, I hate when I do this. Ooh, I created a knot. Oh no, my baby, I gotta rip it out. Ooh. It's probably better to cut it, but why would I do that? Nah, I should probably cut it. Oh my goodness, look how badly it knotted. Can you see? Look how much hair I cut. I can't even do it. Guess I'm one of them girls who like addicted to their hair. I'm gonna try to get as much out as I can, and then the last piece I'm just gonna cut. Okay, that's breaking off. Yeah, cut it. It's breaking off anyways. Dang nabbit. This little bitty knot, you gonna cut that anyways. Look. I had to do that last time, man. I remember that happened one time, and I was going through a breakup, and I about had a crash out session. It was like getting a knot in my hair was the final straw, and having to cut that little bitty piece off was the final straw. So right now it's 4:33, and I'm like, I guess a quarter, halfway, whatever, done. It's 4:46. Yeah, so now all done. 4:47. Be back. Okay, so it's 6:21. And I'm about to wash my hair now. Combed out with the deep conditioner in. I'm gonna put on a cap and hop under the dryer. I almost forgot. So I'm gonna rinse this out in the shower. I lost track of time real bad. So I didn't even like part my hair up and put it in twists like I usually do when I'm in the shower after I rinse the deep conditioner out. So I'm free balling with this one. it is 8:26. I'll be back when I finish this side. Okay, so it's now 8:44 and I finished this back half of my head. Okay, only this left is dang near dry. Yo, it's 9:19. I'm done. I need my ends clipped so bad. Excuse my raccoon eyes. This is what I have, and then this is what I have left. Obviously, I'm not going to put these in because it's the front and I can see it, so I'm not gonna part it out. I'm gonna part it out as I go. But it's 12:32, maybe 35, and this is how far I've come. This is what I have left. And my lips dry too. We're down bad. Anyway, it's getting harder to part like this. Like, I know you're supposed to go, I can't see. This is, I think, like, I just go around like that again. Okay, so I'm done. I'm not gonna do these because I don't feel like it. So I just parted it and then did 2 big twists and then this. Hi guys, I'm back. Yeah, I'm about to start putting the hair in. Let me see the time. It's 1:48, so I started way later than I meant to. Yeah, I'm trying to do boho. So I bought this off of Amazon. It said 30, so I got 30. Because this hair right here is like 27, 30, and something else. So you can see it's in there, so it might look right. But yeah, I don't know. I also got like black hair, so you can see my setup, whatever. I'm not finished doing all that, but I'm just gonna start braiding probably. Not probably gonna finish filling that up, then I'm gonna start braiding, but yeah. I hope I can finish today, but if I can't, then it's like don't match. So it might just be braids. I don't know, because I spent $40 on that, so I want it to match. I'm gonna come back when I successfully get this in a braid. Well guys, the boho look's not gonna cut it because it's just the color, the length of it is really the length of it, because the color I feel like I could definitely get away with, but the length of it is way too short. But yeah, it's like pushing forward, and this is all I have to show for myself. Everything's gonna be okay though. We're gonna be okay. So I gave up on a boho look, and I'm just gonna curl the ends when I'm done. It's almost 5 o'clock, so I'm trying to like lock in and stop playing. So something I just realized though is I'm like really cold for real, because I've been doing this without a mirror. No mirror, just vibes. Yeah, I split my hair into 3, and then I take like, I put it like this, and so I take this one and then like this, so it's like this is 1 and then 3, and I place it over right here. Oof. For sure, I can see it's a bad angle for me and probably for the camera too. But yeah, I just braid it in like that, and then I like switch position of my hands, so it's coming like this way. Use some gel once I get towards like the end of my hair, so the ends don't pop out. But yeah, this is how you DIY, so you ain't gotta pay $200 plus for somebody to play in your head. No, I'm just playing. But for real, DIY, do it yourself. So it's 5:52. This is how far I have gotten. Hold on. This is how far I've gotten. Which honestly, it's looked pretty good since I started after 2. So I'm almost only got 2 more rows left on this, and then I have to do that. And then, but I think once I do these 2 rows, I'm gonna go in on the front just in case I don't finish, so I can like cover my hair. But I'm about to have a popcorn break because I'm hungry. But I'll be back. So I definitely forgot I was recording this. It's 9:42 and I still have this portion, which is probably like 5, and this, which I think is 6 or 7. And then as you can see, I've started on the front. And I'm doing black on this like bottom under the blonde. Alright, I'll be back. It's 12:40. I'm going to bed. I have to be at work at 8:30, so I could stay up and finish this, but I'd rather not.
He's cold. Send him to the Titans. Oh, he stayed up. Oh, he stayed up. He gone. Let's go. Leon be acting like he be healing people like Hogan.
He might be praying. He could be praying.
He was acting like he was gonna lay in the hands and healing.
That's what I'm saying. He might have been praying. He might have been like, in Jesus' name.
Maybe acting like he performing a miracle.
Crusty bit and Austin's, except I'm going to curl the ends. let it like dry, like not fully dry because I'm not trying to wait all night, but like semi-dry. Cool, at least cool down. Bussy baby, bussy. The hair took me, hold on, what time is it? It's 10:36. I'm pretty sure, but I finished braiding my hair around 9. And then I did all the curl stuff sometime around that time. And y'all, my boho look did not work out, sadly. I think if I could get some black wavy hair, I would like put it in here for real. Like black and yellow, black. I try to like the crochet method. Hair doesn't feel great. I ain't gotta do it for like a month or two, depending on how I'm feeling. Good night. I'm finna do some schoolwork, but good night to y'all, lovely ladies. I don't know how to end these. I just don't. Cheers.